How-to Tutorial Marichyasana B. Begin in Dandasana, legs extended, feet flexed, gazing at your big toes, arms beside you, palms pressing firmly down onto the mat. Now, draw your left foot to the inner crease of your right leg, coming into a half lotus position. Release your leg, and now draw your right knee towards you, ensuring there's space between your right foot and your left leg. Draw your right arm around your knee, bringing your hands into a bind. Fold forward at the hip crease, bringing either your chin, your nose, or your forehead towards your knee or your shin. Inhale, bring your gaze to look at your big toe. Guide yourself up, release the bind, and extend your leg out. Marichyasana B, bringing your foot to the inner crease of the opposite leg. Bend your knee, bring your foot towards you. Guide your arm around, bringing your hands into a bind, leading from your heart. Exhale, fold. Breathe deeply here. Inhale, guide yourself back up, bringing your gaze forward. Release the bind. Draw your leg out and release, returning back to Dandasana. Namaste.